Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm helping you figure out which platform is right for you, StanStore or Kajabi. Both are powerful tools, but they're built for very different stages of business. Let's break it down. First, what is StanStore? StanStore is a lightweight, easy-to-use storefront you can link directly to your Instagram or TikTok bio. It's made for quick launches, simple offers, and fast cash flow. Stan lets you sell digital products, offer coaching calls, deliver freebies, build email lists, set up upsells easily. It's built for creators who want speed and simplicity. No complicated tech setups, no full website needed. If you're just starting out and you want to start making money now without getting stuck in setup mode, StanStore is perfect. What is Kajabi? Kajabi is a full-scale business platform. It's built for long-term digital brands that want full control over digital products, memberships, email marketing, automations, landing pages, full websites. Kajabi lets you host entire courses and coaching programs, build complex funnels, automate entire customer journeys, scale into a multiple offer business easily. It's more powerful, but it's also more complex. It's an investment for queens who are serious about scaling big, not just setting up fast. StanStore is perfect for you if you want to launch a product or coaching offer quickly. You're selling low-ticket or mid-ticket offers, $17,197. You're focused mainly on Instagram, TikTok, or social selling. You don't want to deal with a full website yet. You want to stay lightweight, flexible, and fast. Kajabi is perfect for you if you want to build an empire, multiple offers, funnels, passive income stacking. You plan to sell full courses, memberships, masterclasses, and higher ticket offers. You want everything under one roof: products, emails, automations, website. You're ready to invest more upfront to scale smarter long-term. You're building a real digital brand, not just selling one offer. Quick tip: start with StanStore if you need fast cash flow and a simple sales machine. Grow into Kajabi when you're ready to scale your brand beyond one or two offers. They're not enemies, they're stages. StanStore is the on-ramp. Kajabi is the full freeway. Choose based on where you are right now and where you know you're going.